Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and living your best life. If you want shiny, strong, and healthy hair, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about 5 things you should never do if you want to keep your hair in top shape. Ready to level up your hair care game? Let's dive in. First, never skip heat protection. If you're using heat styling tools like flat irons, curling irons, or blow dryers, always use a heat protectant spray. Hair is super delicate, and heat can easily strip it of moisture, leading to dry, brittle strands and split ends. A heat protectant forms a barrier between your hair and the heat, reducing damage and keeping your hair soft and shiny. Second, avoid tight hairstyles. We all love a cute ponytail or braids, but wearing your hair too tightly on a daily basis can lead to hair breakage and even traction alopecia, which is a form of hair loss. If you want healthy hair, make sure to loosen up your styles and give your scalp some breathing room. It's okay to rock a tight look occasionally, but avoid doing it every day. Third, never overwash your hair. Washing your hair too often can strip it of its natural oils, leaving it dry and lifeless. Try to limit your washes to 2 to 3 times a week depending on your hair type. If your hair gets oily in between washes, try using a dry shampoo to refresh it without compromising its natural moisture. Your hair needs those oils to stay nourished, so don't overdo it. Fourth, avoid harsh chemicals. From bleaching to perming, some chemical treatments can cause major damage to your hair. While it's fine to color your hair occasionally, constantly subjecting it to harsh chemicals can weaken it, causing breakage and frizz. Look for gentle, sulfate-free products that won't strip your hair's natural proteins. And if you're considering a big hair transformation, be sure to give your hair a break between treatments to restore its health. Fifth, never use rough towels on wet hair. Wet hair is much more fragile than dry hair, and rubbing it aggressively with a towel can cause breakage. Instead of rubbing, gently blot your hair with a soft, microfiber towel, or better yet, wrap it up and let it air dry. This small change will help preserve your hair's strength and elasticity. So there you have it. 5 things you should never do if you want to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. Remember, healthy hair isn't just about the right products, but also about the habits you build around caring for it. Have you been guilty of any of these? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from Health Options 101. Take care of your hair, and I'll see you in the next video.